Welcome back, everyone. If you're one of the many people who wake up to frustratingly high blood sugar levels, today's video is for you. Imagine starting your day without the worry of that morning blood sugar spike, a dream for so many. This morning spike, known as the dawn phenomenon, can be a hurdle for anyone managing diabetes or prediabetes. But today, I'll share a natural, effective remedy to help restore balance, and the best part, you might already have it at home. So grab a seat, stay tuned, and discover how 2 simple spoonfuls can make a difference. Let's break down what's really going on when you wake up to elevated blood sugar. This dawn phenomenon happens because in the early morning hours, your body releases specific hormones, like cortisol and growth hormone, to help you wake up. But here's the thing, these hormones also signal your liver to release glucose into the bloodstream, preparing you for the day. For people without diabetes, the pancreas produces insulin to keep this glucose surge under control. But if you have diabetes or insulin resistance, your body struggles to keep up, leading to those high morning readings. This spike can feel discouraging, especially after a healthy dinner and no late-night snacks. So while the dawn phenomenon is natural, it can be tough to manage without the right tools. You might wonder, is one high reading in the morning that big of a deal? And the answer is absolutely. These morning spikes can drag up your A1C, creating a misleading picture of your blood sugar control. More importantly, high fasting blood sugar stresses your heart, kidneys, and eyes, potentially leading to complications over time. For those on a weight loss journey, elevated morning sugar can be a roadblock, making it harder for your body to burn fat efficiently. And if you have prediabetes, these frequent spikes can accelerate the progression to type 2 diabetes. So even though it's one number, keeping it in check can mean long-term health benefits. It's about giving your body a balanced start each day, and that's where our remedy comes into play. Enter our hero, apple cider vinegar. This humble pantry staple has shown promise in helping manage blood sugar. You may be thinking, apple cider vinegar? Really? So then yes, the science backs it up. Multiple studies have highlighted that just 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed can reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 6% for those with type 2 diabetes. This isn't a quick fix miracle, but a steady support for your body's natural processes. The magic lies in acetic acid, the main component in apple cider vinegar, which improves insulin sensitivity, slows digestion, and can even help reduce glucose production overnight. Taking it before bed lets it work while you rest, helping you wake up to a more balanced morning. So how can you incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine? It's simple. First, measure out 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and mix it with a glass of water. Avoid drinking it straight. Vinegar is acidic and can harm your teeth and throat without dilution. Drink this mixture around 30 minutes before bed, letting it work its magic as you sleep. A straw can also help protect your teeth from any potential acidity. If you're new to this, start with 1 tablespoon and gradually work up to 2, checking your morning readings to see how it's working for you. For best results, consistency is key, so make this a nightly habit. Remember to look for raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. That cloudy part at the bottom holds beneficial enzymes and probiotics for extra health support. While apple cider vinegar can be a powerful addition, pairing it with other healthy habits can lead to even better results. First, try to eat balanced meals with fiber, healthy fats, and protein to stabilize blood sugar throughout the day. Regular physical activity is also essential. Even a brisk evening walk can help your body use glucose more efficiently. And stay hydrated. Water supports your body's natural functions and can aid in blood sugar regulation. Managing stress is another big factor. High stress can lead to hormone imbalances that affect blood sugar. Deep breathing, meditation, or even a few minutes of stretching before bed can make a difference. By combining these lifestyle tips with your vinegar routine, you're setting yourself up for a successful morning and a healthier day overall. In closing, apple cider vinegar is a simple yet effective tool for managing those morning blood sugar spikes. By improving insulin sensitivity, slowing digestion, and modulating glucose production, it addresses the dawn phenomenon directly. Remember, while this remedy is promising, it's most effective when paired with other healthy habits. And always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, especially if you're on diabetes medications. But if you're looking for a natural, accessible way to help your body reset overnight, 2 spoonfuls of apple cider vinegar might be the missing link. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. Here's to balanced mornings and a healthier, happier you.